Luo Language, and today's edition we want to read the Luo language. So in a moment we'll be live. I'm just trying to confirm whether we are live online. Let me just look through I have to look through my phone to see that we're live. Know that the quality of the audio, it looks good. The quality of video, quality of audio, stuff like that. And then I go live, and usually I love that you can comment. You can always comment on the stream. If you look at your stream, you can comment. You can put if you comment, we'll be able to see whatever you've written up there. And I really appreciate those who've been supporting the channel. So if you're just joining me, it would be a good thing to just say hi on the comment section, and that goes a long way too. You know, when you say hi on the comment section, it also tells your friends that someone is live and they actually come in and support. Today's video is a book. What we are going to do is we are going to develop our vocabulary for Luo language through reading items that can be found in the market. So we are going to develop our vocabulary in a moment. And please give it a like. Share the video with your friends because it doesn't cost much to share. Tell your friends that something is happening. The Luo guys are out here. And guess what? You shall have helped me and you shall have helped the Luo language. Very well ahead. These are about 14 slides, so it will not take long, but the intention here is to ensure that you develop some vocabulary that you can use in a market. In sentences, now in the beginning I can say that kawuono wadwa wacho. Kawuono wadwa wacho weche ma nyalo konyi e chiro. So Sylvester says, wow, it's amazing to learn the Luo language. Thank you, Sylvester. And welcome to the stream. Kawuono wadwa wacho weche ma nyalo konyi ka in e chiro. Should not be inyalo. Let me change that because this should not be. Sorry for the typos. You know, sometimes I write these things and I don't it doesn't come back to me that, hey, that's not correct. This is the correct thing. Kawuono wadwa wacho weche ma nyalo konyi ka in e chiro. And I would like you to read it with me. You know, when I'm reading, the reason I read is so that you get the tonation, so that you know what to read, you know. Kawuono wadwa wacho weche ma nyalo konyi ka in e chiro. Okay? Shadrach. Thank you. Hey, I like your name, Shadrach. I like that. Kawuono wadwa wacho weche ma nyalo konyi ka in e chiro. Today we shall talk about words that can help you at the market. So as you can see now, chiro is market. You see the chiro there? Chiro is market. And kawuono is today. So now you can begin combining them. So today and market, kawuono, chiro. Weche are words. Weche. So kawuono, weche, chiro. Those are the main words you can pick from this sentence. To start with, let's move on. Ahero dhi e chiro mar abedo nikech chiro no ni kod olemo ma nengo gi yot. This is a very loaded sentence, so let me break it down. Hero, hera, hero, love. I love. Ahero, I love. Ahero. So when you see love, you actually talk about, and English you see when you read it in the English version you can say hero, but that is hero. So I love visiting open air market. We said chiro. Amor gi puonj ma ayudo kae. Shadrach says amor gi puonj ma ayudo kae. And you can see the comment on the screen. Amazing, Shadrach. Thank you. Ahero dhi e chiro mar abedo. So I love going to market mar abedo. So abedo is a type of market found in the Luo areas. I don't know whether it's in all these other places, but the market where there is no roof, and usually what happens is people just lay their wares on the ground and then they just start selling. So ahero dhi e chiro mar abedo, and the reason I'm explaining is so that you can make connections. For example, abedo, make a connection with abedo being an open air market where people just lay their wares all over the place, okay? Nikech chiro no ni kod olemo ma nengo gi yot. So the market has olemo. Olemo, that's another vocabulary. Olemo means fruits. Olemo are different types of fruits. Then nengo gi yot. Nengo is the price or the cost. So when you say nengo gi yot, you're talking about the cost. In this case, the cost is cheap. When we say cheap, cheap means nengo gi yot. So anytime someone wants to give you anything that is cheap, you will talk about nengo and yot. Yot means easy. Nengo yot. So for example, if you're going to buy something today, you can ask nengo mayot ni kanye. Okay? Just ask nengo yot. Even if you do not make a complete sentence, and you can ask in the market, just ask ere ma nengo yot. That means where is the cheap one, you know? Elisha Giga. Elisha, thank you for asking Mary to come for the lessons. Mary, kujia lesson haraka. Mary Kaburia, we are looking for you. The world is looking for you. Thank you, Elisha. And thank you for making comments. Please make comments on the stream, because these comments help us drive the viewership. So I hope this sentence is beginning to make sense. Let me read it again. And you can read it with me. Let's go. Ahero dhi e chiro mar abedo nikech chiro no ni kod olemo ma nengo gi yot. So that's a slower version. Now the normal reading speed would be ahero dhi e chiro mar abedo nikech chiro no ni kod olemo ma nengo gi yot. So I'm doing the the two versions so that you can see how it goes. And the good thing is, after this is over, you can go back to the video and watch again. So let's move on. Inyalo yudo. Now, inyalo yudo means you may find, or you may get, you may find. Inyalo yudo olemo kaka. So in the market, this in the market has not been put in here. In the market has not been included in this sentence. So I should include it here. And that would be e chiro, inyalo yudo olemo kaka. So you can find fruits such as, so mawembe becomes mangoes, mangoes, oranges, machunga, that is machunga is orange, then rabolo is bananas, rabolo, mananas is pineapples is mananas, and avocado is avocado, and apoyo apoyo, apopos. So let me read the entire sentence again. Inyalo yudo olemo kaka mawembe, machunga, rabolo, mananas, avocado, kod apoyo. Now the good thing about the fruits is that mawembe is already in Swahili. It's maembe. So mawembe is maembe. Machunga is machungwa in Swahili. So machunga, mawembe, same thing. Avocado is avocado. So that is also easy. Mananas is nas or mananasi. So mananas, avocado, mawembe, machunga, those are already in the Swahili. So you can actually relate to them. The only thing that is different here is rabolo, and apoyo. And because it has apoyo, poi. You know Swahili it is poi. So apoyo, poi. Remember poi and apoyo, okay? That will be an easy way of remembering it. So let me read it one more time. Inyalo yudo olemo kaka mawembe, machunga, rabolo, mananas, avocado, kod, apoyo. This language, when you say kod, that means and. Kod, and. Okay? Good, let's move on. And we say, teach adek. Teach adek. Now I have to get out of the way. Let me remove myself so that you can read that sentence. There you go. Teach adek on Wednesday. And if you haven't read or if you haven't watched the Days of the Week videos, please search for Days of the Week in Luo. We did a very good video on that. Wednesday is Teach adek. Teach adek alode kaka sikuma. So alode, that's a new vocabulary. Alode are vegetables. One vegetable type is a lot. A lot, just like in English you can say a lot. So one vegetable type is a lot. But when there are many, like they are now being put up here, then it is alode. So alode kaka sikuma. Sikuma is collard greens. Wait, sikuma is either kale or collard greens, one of them. I don't know whether it's the same thing, okay? Then there is bo. Bo is cowpeas. Osuga. Osuga is African nightshade. Then there is dek. And dek is spider plant. So teach adek, alode kaka, sikuma, bo, osuga, kod dek, bende yudore e nengo ma oyueyo. E nengo ma oyueyo. Competitive price points. Nengo ma oyueyo. Okay? Let me read that again. Teach adek on Wednesday. Alode kaka, sikuma, bo, osuga, kod dek. Kod dek. Remember kod? I told you kod means and. Kod dek bende yudore e nengo ma oyueyo. Okay? Evans Andrew. Thank you so very much, Evans Andrew. Please tell your friends that we are here. Asante sana, Evans Andrew. Next slide. This says Chiengeso. Now I am incorporating the days of the week, and I'm also incorporating animals. I'm incorporating plants. You can see that's how you learn Luo. You don't just put things. I'm incorporating so many things. So now remember we said Wednesday is, do you remember Wednesday? Let me go back. Wednesday was teach adek. See this here? Now I've gone to Saturday. Saturday is Chiengeso. So, and the reason I'm talking about Wednesday and Saturday is because most of the markets in the Luo area were on either Wednesday and Saturday or on a Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday and Sunday, you know. Andrew Munyi, karibu sana. Thank you so very much for supporting the channel. Frankie Webbs, kuja usome bwana. Chieng ngeso, dhok, rombe, kod diek. See that? See cod, again cod, the word cod is here again. Chieng ngeso, on Saturday, dhok, rombe, kod diek. So dhok are cows or cattle or how do you call it, whatever. Cows, sheep are rombe, and then goats are diek. That is a new vocabulary for you. Chieng ngeso, dhok, rombe, kod diek. Bende usore nyaka sa 9 godhiambo. Usore nyaka sa 9 godhiambo. Evans Andrew asking, kulundeng iluongo nade gi dholuo? Evans, kulundeng is already dholuo, so now you cannot translate it any further. Kulundeng iluongo nade gi dholuo. Thank you, Evans. On Saturdays, cows, sheep, and goats are sold until 3 o'clock. And this is now a problem. Because here we are saying sa 8 godhiambo, and we know very well that sa 8 is 9. Huh? And then I'm saying 3 o'clock. And that takes me to the how you call it? The time system. The time system that the Luos took is the Swahili way. You know, the Swahili say saa tatu to mean 3 o'clock, you know. Saa tisa to mean 3 o'clock, and the opposite, like the opposite of whatever it is. Yeah. So that's the way the Luos also do it. So when you say ochiko, when you say 9, you actually mean 3. Oh, Evans, you meant in English. In English, kulundeng might be a beetle. It might be a beetle. And I will look for the exact beetle name, but it might just be one of the beetles. Beetles, we have so many beetles that we have to separate them. And I think I have a video on insects. There's a video on insects in our channel, and I talked about kulundeng, but it's a beetle. Thank you for clarifying. So let me read the statement again. Chieng ngeso, dhok, rombe, kod diek bende usore nyaka sa 9 godhiambo. So that's a good one. Then the next thing says, chieng odira. Chieng odira en chieng yueyo chiro. So the on church day is the cleaning day. It's the day for cleaning the market. Okay. Chieng odira en chieng yueyo chiro. Koro ka idhi e chiro to ibiro yudo ka olore. That's a new vocabulary. Olore. Say olore. 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 That means it's closed. Olore. Chieng odira en chieng yueyo chiro. Cleaning, yueyo. Yueyo, cleaning, yueyo. Yueyo chiro, cleaning the market. Yueyo. Koro ka idhi e chiro to ibiro yudo ka olore. Closed, olore. Okay? Good. Jo uso e chiro nyaka hesi kapok gidonjo e chiro. Heso is a new word. Heso is paying tax. So when you pay tax, you know, like when you get there is something that they give you in the beginning when you're going to the market. When you get to the market and you want to sell your wares, there's someone at the gate who gives you a receipt to prove that you pay the government tax of the day. That process is called heso. Heso. So jo uso e chiro nyaka hesi. Must, nyaka, must, and then nyaka hesi kapok gidonjo e chiro. Donjo is to get in. Donjo. Donjo is to get in. Get in. Donjo. Remember, chiro is market, okay? So jo uso e chiro nyaka hesi kapok gidonjo e chiro. Kapok gidonjo e chiro. Okay? Amazing, amazing. Please send your comments. I love to see that people are viewing with us. Facebook is on fire. There's so many people on Facebook. I can see our YouTube guys are also trying. YouTube, Ebu, can you comments, please? I'd like to read your comments. And the good thing is your comments will display on my screen, okay? Just make them decent. Don't make very bad comments. Then the next one is jo otiwi. And this is also a new term. Jo otiwi. Otiwi. First of all, otiwi is a hand cut. A hand cut, yeah? You know these hand cuts that you use for transporting small goods. They are called otiwi. Now the person who handles the hand cut is called ja otiwi, and ja otiwi in English is a porter. You see the porters, the person who carries your goods. When you're going to the market, the person who is carrying the goods for you, that's called a porter. So jo otiwi or ja otiwi. Ja otiwi is one person. 10 people jo otiwi. Jo otiwi bende heso. See, we talked about tax. Jo otiwi bende heso kapok gichako tingo osike. Kapok gichako tingo osike. So jo otiwi also, the porters also have to pay tax before they start plying their trade, or before they start carrying the osike is what in there? Osike. Carrying the that osike. Osigo, mizigo is called what in Luo, in English. Now let's move on to another dimension. And the dimension is introducing kids to the market, okay? And parents. Nyithindo are children. Nyithindo ka obiro e chiro kod jonyuolgi. So when children come to school with their, oh yeah, Evans, luggage. Thank you. Otiwi is people who carry luggage. That is the correct word. Thank you so much. Let me go back to that. Jo otiwi bende heso kapok gichako tingo osike. So they pay tax before they start carrying luggage. Luggage was the word. I think my English is becoming, I must start learning English again. Thank you so much, Evans. It's luggage. Okay. Good. Nyithindo ka obiro e chiro kod jonyuolgi. So nyithindo are children. Nyithindo, children. Chiro, market. Jonyuol are parents. So nyithindo, chiro, jonyuol, parents. Nyithindo ka obiro e chiro kod jonyuolgi. So biro is come to the market. Biro, ka obiro. when they come to the market. Ka obiro e chiro kod jonyuolgi. Minegi, this mine is mine. Minegi, the mothers, this should be the mothers. Ohero nyieo negi soda mondo gineg godo riyo. Minegi ohero nyieo negi soda mondo gineg godo riyo. So riyo, another thing that happens in the market, you get thirsty. Thirsty is riyo. When you're thirsty, you say riyo ohinga. So one thing happens in the market, you want to quench your thirst, then you say adwaro soda mondo aneg godo riyo. I need a soda to quench my thirst. I doubt whether sodas quench thirst, but that is the way we have it made, okay? So nyithindo ka obiro e chiro kod jonyuolgi, minegi ohero nyiewo negi soda mondo gineg godo riyo. I hope this, I'm trying to relate every thing so that when you go back, you can be able to see the English version, the Luo version. And for now, if you're new to Luo, don't worry about making it correct. Just worry about connecting nyithindo to children, biro to come, chiro to market, jonyuol to parents, just like that. And then that way, then you'll start combining the two, combining them together. For now, just do that, and that will be good enough. Riyo is thirst. The big word in this slide was riyo, which is thirst. Okay. Then gima ojoga. Gima ojoga. I may have lost connectivity. I think I lost connectivity. Let me check. Oh, I'm back. Am I back? Okay, we're live. Maybe something happened. Nyeo and nyeo. Same good thought. It might be nyeo. Where was it? My connection just get lost, so it has done a lot of problems for me on my side. But I think Evans wrote something on the chat on nyeo versus nyeo. And that might be an issue of pronunciation. The one that you've written nyeo is the right one. Gima ojoga kod chiro en kaka chiro lokore chieng ma koth ochwe. So the weather, I'm introducing the weather here. Koth ochwe means it's raining. Koth means rain. Koth chwe, it's raining. Gima ojoga, something I do not like. So ojoga, something I do not like. Okay. Ojoga and koth chwe, new vocabulary. Koth chwe, it's raining. Something I do not like. Okay. Gima ojoga. And did I have to move? There you go. Let me move my ugly head up here a little bit so that you can see everything. There you go. Yeah, ojoga might also be osina. That's correct. Osina. Gima osina en kaka gikmoko timore. That is correct. Margaret Kalori, thank you so very much for liking the stream. And we welcome you. Hey, Margaret, you've been a very good supporter of ours. I thank you so very much for always supporting the channel. Then slide number 12, we talk about oula kod chuodho. Oula. Some people write oula with an H. So oula. Oula kod chuodho. Chuodho. Oula. Please say oula. Oh, Shadrach is saying koth chue koni sani. So it's raining where they are right now. Shadi, I wish you well. Koth won mogo. We say koth won mogo. Like when it rains, it brings a lot of food. So it's raining where Shadi is. Where are you, Shadrach? Just let us know where you are. Oula kod chuodho kethoga wach mar chiro. So when it rains, it spoils the market. Mike Okuta Jr., thank you so very much for liking the stream and for giving us a thumbs up. It helps. It takes the stream to the next level. Oula kod chuodho kethoga wach mar chiro. Ndara bende iyudo ka ok nyal kalore nikech othiwi odino kuonde te. We had talked about othiwi. Remember when they were paying tax? The othiwi people. Do you remember the othiwi? And othiwi we say that the potters, okay? And the potters are now, they were paying tax, but now they have spoiled the road here, you see? So, ndara bende iyudo ka ok nyal kalore nikech othiwi odino kuonde te. Oh, Shadi in Kibuye. I used to be in Kibuye there. Mike bende wacho ni Seth Regi. Seth Ereya. Seth come and learn. Shadi mosna jo Kibuye yote. Chakre ginene. Chakre encha governor ose mugo Kibuye te. Akekata kimodong sani. Alright, so oula kod chuodho kethoga wach mar chiro. So oula, I want to introduce the concepts. Oula is the water paddle, not really water paddles. Oula is the streams. You see when it rains, the streams that come out. That is the oula. Then chuodho are is mud. Mud is chuodho. And oula is the stream, okay? The streams that come out. So water paddles and the streams spoil the fun. Ketho wach mar chiro. The roads, ndara, roads, ndara bende iyudo ka ok nyal kalore, ok nyal kalore, that is impassable because of the potters. Nikech othiwi, the othiwi guys are the potters. The potters block the roads, okay? That is how you read this. And then number 13, ka koth ochako chwe e chiro, aringo ga ma adog dala. When it starts raining in the market, I usually run back home. Ka koth ochako chwe e chiro, aringo ga ma adog dala. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, this is just one way of developing your vocabulary. And today's vocabulary was talking about the market, what you can see in the market, the fruits, the vegetables, the people, the drinks. You know, we talked about soda, we talked about people, the people selling, we talked about the fruits. And if you can relate everything to the Luo language, then that way you get to learn faster. If you missed this episode, please, we shall post it online. The full episode is recorded, so we shall post it online. But also you can just go back to our YouTube channel and watch it. And thank you for those who helped us make this successful today, and we really appreciate. So we have the ebooks. The book that I've just read is distributed to the members free of charge, but you have to be a member. So when you go to Luo English Dictionary, click and be a member. And to be a member, just click on the link. Just go to YouTube channel and click on join. Then you will be a member. And once you're a member, we have a member section and we have all these ebooks lined out there. You can download them and use them as you wish. Now, members may also request for something to be covered. If you want to be with me in a live session, usually I hold live sessions here. If you want to be with me in a live session, we can also hold it live. And also we are in Clubhouse. So if you're a member of Clubhouse, you can find us in Clubhouse. Just type Luo Language and you will find us in Clubhouse. That way we can always connect. And what else did I want to say? Yes, our Luo thing in Clubhouse is called Learn Luo. We now have 46 members in Clubhouse. If you haven't been to Clubhouse before, that is just a new medium of communication which has audio. It prefers to work with audio. So you can find us in Clubhouse and we can always work together. Now, if you missed something and you want to contact me or contact our team, our team, you can send us an email at luoenglishdictionary@gmail.com. That way you will find us, okay? Or you can find the video version of this thing posted in this link, youtube.com/Luo English Dictionary. I hope these are good for you, and let me not leave anyone behind. Kidwaro wacho Oriti, please tell me Oriti ginene kanyo. This has been, kaka jo gine wacho. Awinjo ni radio gine TV moro biro mar dholuo. I'm told that there's a new TV station coming up for Luos. Kiani nen rumors, kiani in a dear. If you know about it, please write on the chat so that we can discuss. Is it good for us? Is it bad for us? For me, it's very exciting. If we are getting a TV station, then that means you can force your kids to watch TV in Luo. Because that's the one reason the kids are not learning Luo is there's nowhere they can see or hear people talking. Because the adults talk in Swahili and Sheng and English and all these other languages. And when the kids go to school, they talk in Swahili and English and everything else. So there's no place that they can actually hear conversation. They cannot see content. They don't have content that is in Luo. That is one of the things that makes us not be able to speak Luo with the kids. And if we are going to get a Luo station, I will be very excited, because Luo station means that our kids will be able to quickly talk in Luo, because there'll be cartoons, people will be making stuff in Luo, and they'll be able to speak fluent Luo. So I've been ranting for a while, and if you have any opinion on that, you may just send it in. You can comment so that we can just discuss it. And I know we've not been having streams for a while because we've been busy. Hey, busy. What is busy? Yeah, I don't know what has happened to my stream. My stream just went. Should talk to these people who give me internet. So let me quickly read the book from end to end. No, I think this is a part that I'll cut and paste as a video. Evans Andrew. Oh, Evans Ojani Maber Mathos. Thank you, Evans. So this is a part that I'm going to cut and paste as a video for the people who want the short version, okay? So I'll pretend that I'm starting afresh. Today we shall read the Luo language about market vocabulary or chiro. Oh, let me not miss this. Chief Engineer, Okello Governor, I'm here watching. This is the moment. I'm from Nairobi, Kenya, and the clip which has been going around about Ramogi TV is reality, and it's coming soonest from Monday 6:30 p.m. in the evening. Oh, Chief Engineer, thank you so much for telling us this. And that's a good thing. He has said that he's watching, and he's saying that the clip going around, I just saw that clip. That's why I was asking. It's coming soon on Monday at 6:30 p.m. in the evening. I will tune in and ensure that I tell people about it, because we really need Luo content to go out there. We've been lacking Luo content. So Chief Engineer, Governor, hey, Okello Governor, hey, Jaluo. Chief Engineer Okello Governor, S1. Erokamano, thank you. That is a very, very good message. Thank you so very much. We shall be waiting for that Ramogi TV biro. Koro erokamano ahinya, Chief Engineer. Kawuono wadwa wacho weche ma nyalo konyi ka in e chiro. Kawuono wadwa wacho weche ma nyalo konyi ka in e chiro. Ahero dhi e chiro mar abedo nikech chiro no ni kod olemo ma nengo gi yot. Ahero dhi e chiro mar abedo nikech chiro no ni kod olemo ma nengo gi yot. Inyalo yudo olemo kaka mawembe, machunga, rabolo, mananas, avocado kod apoyo. Inyalo yudo olemo kaka mawembe, machunga, rabolo, mananas, avocado kod apoyo. Tich adek, alode. Erokamano Chief Engineer. Chief Engineer wacho ni awinji ba an Wilson Airport Lang'ata. Ada winjo chenro ma kawuono live. Erokamano kuom yoro budho bwana. Ageno ni imor gi budho ma kawuono. Tich adek, alode kaka sikuma, bo, osuga kod dek bende yudore e nengo ma oyueyo. Tich adek, alode kaka sikuma, bo, osuga kod dek bende yudore e nengo ma oyueyo. Chieng' ngeso, dhok, rombe kod diek bende usore nyaka saa 9 godhiambo. Chieng' ngeso, dhok, rombe kod diek bende usore nyaka saa 9 godhiambo. Chieng' ngeso, dhok, rombe kod diek bende usore nyaka saa 9 godhiambo. Chieng' odira en chieng' yweyo chiro. Koro ka idhi, Andrew wacho ni an Helsinki. Helsinki bor manade no. Erokamano Andrew. Iwacho ni itemo kasori kik wiyi wil gi dho nagi. Wiyi ok nya wil. Ndike, some, wache. Kiyudo ji kaka wan kama tibet kodwa iwacho matin, wiyi ok bi wil. Nyithindi ema koro akia ni botimore nade ya. Helsinki gibo wuoyo gi ng'a. Mane kuma shida nitie koro. Chieng' odira en chieng' yweyo chiro. Koro ka idhi e chiro to ibiro yudo ka olore. Chieng' odira en chieng' yweyo chiro. Ka idhi, nice learning session. Pious Mercy. Is it Pious? Hey, nyingi no tek. Pious Mercy. Nice learning session. Thank you so very much for the support. And just comment. Those comments go a long way, by the way. Pius, thank you very much for coming to the stream today. And we appreciate your support, okay? Chieng odira en chieng yweyo chiro. Koro, ka idhi e chiro to ibiro yudo ka olore. Chieng odira en chieng yweyo chiro. Koro, ka idhi e chiro to ibiro yudo ka olore. Jo uso e chiro nyaka hesi kapok gidonjo e chiro. Jo uso e chiro nyaka hesi kapok gidonjo e chiro. Jo uso e chiro nyaka hesi kapok gidonjo e chiro. Okay? Then the next thing, I'm trying to take a picture of these things live. Difficult to multitask. Jo othiwi bende heso kapok gichako ting'o osike. Jo othiwi bende heso kapok gichako ting'o osike. Jo othiwi bende heso kapok gichako ting'o osike. Nyithindo ka obiro e chiro kod jonyuolgi, minegi ohero nyiewo negi soda mondo gineg godo riyo. And I think now I have to change this. This was a very good comment from Evans. Nyeo, where is it now? Oh my goodness, I lost it. This one. He said instead of nyeo, we should just go to the original nyeo. Like that, huh? That's why I come to this channel, so people can give their feedback, okay? Good, like that. Nyithindo ka obiro e chiro kod jonyuolgi, minegi ohero nyiewo negi soda mondo gineg godo riyo. Andrew is asking, is it in order to say chieng Nyasaye, meaning Sunday? Andrew, that will be controversial because some Luos pray on Friday, some Luos pray on Saturday, and some Luos pray on Sunday. So if you say Chieng Nyasaye, you will be bringing a can of worms. Huh? You know, the Saturday guys will be like, no. The Sunday guys will be like, no. And the Friday guys will be like, no. So now, it is not, we don't have a universal day. Like if you go to South Nyanza, they are majorly Saturday Adventists. If you go to Siaya and the likes, they're majorly Sundays. If you're in the Kisumu area, we have guys of Friday, you know. So that's the reason why. But if you say Chieng Nyasaye, it means the day of God. And that might not be Sunday. So they will kill you if they say that. Yeah. Yeah, Odira is Sabbath, yes. And the reason I took Odira is because there's a section of the Luos who say Chieng Odira, you know, especially the South, those guys who are Sabbath guys. But if you go back to the guys in Siaya and all those other places, even if you go to northern to Tanzania, you will see that Odira is not acceptable again. They will say no. Odira is not, you know. And it will bring a long conversation. Yeah. Nyithindo ka obiro e chiro kod jonyuolgi, mine gi ohero nyiewo negi soda mondo gineg godo riyo. Gima ojoga kod chiro, Brinton Hudson. Hey. I hope it's correct. But it shows on the screen though. You've liked the stream. Thank you so very much. It goes a long way when you like the stream. Gima ojoga kod chiro. En kaka chiro lokore chieng' ma koth ochwe. Gima ojoga kod chiro en kaka chiro lokore chieng' ma koth ochwe. Then oula kod chuodho ketho ga wach mar chiro. Ndara bende iyudo ka ok nyal kalore nikech othiwi odino kuonde te. I'll read that again. Oula kod chuodho ketho ga wach mar chiro. Ndara bende iyudo ka ok nyal kalore nikech othiwi odino kuonde te. And the last slide. Ka koth ochako chwe e chiro, aringo ga ma adog dala. Ka koth ochako chwe e chiro, aringo ga ma adog dala. Good. So that is the end of the stream for the day. And thank you so very much, those who supported us, those who liked the stream, those who share the stream. One more thing, please subscribe. Please subscribe. We are looking to get to 10,000 people in YouTube. We are at, right now as we speak, we are at, let me check. We are at 5,000. It is lost. Overview. 5,000. Where is it? Lifetime. 5,385. Yeah, please subscribe. We are looking to get to 10,000. Yes, Chief. Was it for 5,385? And just the other day we were at one person subscribing. Imagine the power that you guys have. So that shows you how people are. People want these things, you know. And mani koro kumagi yude onge. Now the good thing, let me tell you why it is good to subscribe. When you subscribe, the people who YouTube looks at your friends and it shows them the content that you're watching, you know, and that way you get more people. So if you subscribe, it will help us, because there's someone out there who wants to learn Luo. They don't know where to go, they don't know how to start. But if you subscribe and you share with them, they will know this is the correct place to be. They will bring in new content. You know, if you bring in new content, that will be very good for us. So please subscribe. Please subscribe. Subscribe pare. I'm not leaving until everybody subscribes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And there's a number that is scrolling on the screen. Let me show you the meaning of that number. This number on the screen, you see the 8 that is scrolling on the screen. That is the number of people who have subscribed today. So if you subscribe, it will change to 9. Koro, you cannot lie that you've subscribed. Those who have not subscribed, if you've subscribed, please, thank you so much. If you've not subscribed, the last few minutes of we have about 3 minutes left since I had done this. I wanted this to be 1 hour. So we have 3 minutes left. Those 3 minutes, please pull somebody to subscribe. Tafadali. Get us a subscription. 1 subscription at a time. It has not changed. Aworo. Joma poko subscribe to neno angiane. Aworo waki. I'm just looking through. I wanted to see whether we have. But our Facebook page has over 10,000 likes. Is it likes or subscribers? How do you say it in Facebook terms? We have over 10,000 of us in Facebook because we started in Facebook before we rolled out to YouTube. So Facebook is very, very big. We are big in Facebook. In fact, apani wane moduong mogik mo wacho dholuo. Yeah, I can see now we have at least one person. Thank you so very much, and we now end the stream. And thank you. I will see you again maybe tomorrow or maybe on Saturday. Keep checking out, okay? Bye bye.